Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm Moose, and I hope the audio is all right. Because I'm filming on the cell phone today. I like having multiple different cameras for multiple different things, and just hoping everything's lining up right here and looking good. All right. Well, today we have an unboxing. Boom! This is obviously an Amazon box, and there's some sort of battery device in here, so we're gonna check it out. My channel. Oh, and today we'll be opening it up with the Civivi Dogma, one of my faves. I actually love this thing. This thing's just too wicked. Like if Rambo had a Civivi, I think this would be it. But I don't know. What do you guys think? What Civivi would Rambo carry? So we're gonna crack this open, see what's inside. Now, I know a lot of you probably tune in for knife reviews, and at the time of this video, I forgot kind of what I ordered. Or not, but this will be my first impressions to it. And you'll probably know what it is because I'll put it in the title, but let's find out. Okay, there's a package within a package. And here's one of them. I have the Anker thing. The fast charge, live more. Anker, America's leading charger. Well, we'll have to crack that open. And then there's another package in here. Feels kind of weird. So let's crack that open. Toss that, because that's what we do. I'm kind of taking that from Everyday City Carry. You're the man. And sweet. Yes. All right. So this is the Nitecore Tiki mini futuristic keychain light, and that's cool that they call it futuristic. Hold, try. Ooh, that's bright. So yeah, I'm replacing my keychain EDC flashlight. Honestly, when it comes to flashlights, I know a lot of you like EDC, some like O-lights and stuff, but oftentimes for me personally, the way I carry stuff, it's too big. So I like the keychain flashlights. My main carry for the longest time has been the Nitecore tube, but one has recently died on me, but I still think they're the best bang for your buck. But I'm excited to check this one out because this has a couple interesting little features. So yeah, 300 lumens for this little guy, USB rechargeable. And then in here, this is taped to all heck. Let's crack that open. All right. Ooh. First off, I love Anker products. I think many of you have used an Anker product in some form or fashion. I like the Soundcore products as well. But I traveled a lot for dance before the whole COVID thing happened. And I relied a lot on Anker products to meet my electrical needs. And this is one of their new fast chargers. It's kind of a slim phone brick. It's a little thick, but it's thick for a reason. And that's because it has the IQ3 technology, and it's the fastest charger. There you go, and you'll need a USB-C to whatever. And there's a reason why I got this. Not just to charge my phone fast, but to charge my Goal Zero emergency or Goal Zero solar generator electric thing. So I'll have to do a review on that and show how I'd implement this into it. But pretty excited for this because this will also charge my phone fast. So there you have it, guys. I got an Anker wall charger and then the Nitecore Tiki. So look forward to a review on that. Thank you, guys. Check out this knife review. I'll link it in the eye in the upper right-hand corner. And that, guys, thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you outside. Peace.